That's sweet. What is your hobby?
What is my hobby? I really, really love playing guitar.
Baking cupcakes.
Acting.
Making people smile, making people laugh.
I'm a bio major and I am a sophomore.
A TV film major, class of 2014.
A sport and exercise science.
Sophomore nursing major.
I grew up in Wilmington, Delaware.
Linden, New Jersey.
Mississippi.
Virginia.
Indiana.
Japan for a year.
Kentucky. And then New York, and then New Jersey.
Florida, and then up to Pennsylvania.
Have you ever watched Up and there's that one house in the middle of all the construction? Yeah, that was my house.
I have been playing soccer since I was 4 years old.
Baseball, yeah, it's been a constant in my life.
I really like to horseback ride.
I run all the time, rail trail. I like working out.
I actually design my own quilts.
I've been dancing since I was 3.
I listen to EDM, I listen to hard rock, I listen to hardcore, I listen to punk rock.
You know, some rap some days if I'm trying to get like pumped up or something.
I listen to Jim Croce, I listen to the Allman Brothers.
Really old music, like from the 20s, 30s era.
I love Deadmau5, I love We Came as Romans.
All music besides rap and country.
The only thing I have not been able to force myself to get into is country.
So I love country, farm girl.
One word to describe me would be outgoing.
Selfless. I'd have to say that was the first one to come to mind.
But the first thing that came to my mind was adventurous, but it sounds so cheesy.
Extrovert, because I cannot stop talking.
I am definitely pro-nap.
My love for Dr. Seuss will never be met by any woman or food.
Because I'm actually type 1 diabetic.
I will tell you how it is. If you want to fight me, you fight me, like.
I'm like an avid babysitter.
I mean, I'm double jointed in my thumbs.
I'm not afraid to be who I am, but I'm also not afraid to be somebody else.
This is who I am.
This is who I am.
This is who I am.
This is DeSales University.
This is DeSales University.
This is DeSales University.